Welcome, little artists! Today, let's draw 6 magical Disney princesses together. Our first princess is Rapunzel. Rapunzel is a bright, cheerful, and adventurous princess with one of the most famous hairstyles in the world. Her beautiful golden hair is incredibly long, and it has a little bit of magic inside it. Rapunzel loves exploring, painting, reading, and discovering new things. Even though she spent many years inside a tall tower, she never stopped dreaming about seeing the world beyond her window behind her. When we draw Rapunzel, let's start with her face and her gentle smile. Then we can carefully add her long, flowing hair. Try making the lines smooth and wavy, just like golden ribbons moving in the wind. Rapunzel teaches us that it is never wrong to dream big. Sometimes, trying something new can be a little scary, but being brave can lead to wonderful adventures. So keep your pencil moving, follow the lines, and let your imagination grow. And there we have it, our beautiful Rapunzel. Now, let's dive under the sea and meet Ariel. Ariel is a curious and adventurous mermaid who dreams of discovering the world above the ocean. She loves music, collecting interesting objects, and learning about things she has never seen before. Ariel has beautiful, flowing red hair and a bright, friendly smile. When we draw her, pay attention to the gentle curves of her hair and the graceful shape of her face. For her mermaid tail, try using long, smooth lines. Imagine that Ariel is swimming through clear blue water with her tail moving softly behind her. Ariel is always curious. She asks questions, explores new places, and follows her dreams. She reminds us that learning about the world can be exciting and fun. As you finish your drawing, imagine Ariel swimming through the ocean, surrounded by colorful fish and sparkling bubbles. Keep drawing, little artists. Look at that! Our beautiful Ariel is ready for her underwater adventure. Our next princess is Mulan. Mulan is brave, determined, and incredibly caring. She is a young woman who discovers that true strength comes from courage, kindness, and believing in yourself. Mulan is known for her beautiful dark hair and her calm, thoughtful expression. When drawing her face, use gentle lines to create a soft and friendly look. Take your time with her hair. Draw the lines smoothly and carefully, keeping them simple and elegant. Mulan is different from many traditional princesses because she shows us that being a hero does not mean being the strongest person in the room. Sometimes, being brave means standing up for the people we love, even when something feels difficult. As you continue your line drawing, remember Mulan's most important lesson: believe in yourself. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep trying. So follow each line carefully, and don't worry if your drawing looks a little different. Every artist has their own special style. And now, our brave and wonderful Mulan is complete. Now it's time to meet Cinderella. Cinderella is kind, gentle, and full of hope. Even when life becomes difficult, she never lets go of her dreams. She is famous for her beautiful blue dress, sparkling glass slippers, and her magical night at the royal ball. When drawing Cinderella, let's begin with her face and her lovely smile. Then, carefully add her hair and the elegant details around her head. Imagine her getting ready for the ball with her beautiful dress sparkling under the moonlight. One of the things that makes Cinderella special is her kindness. She treats others with care, even when they are not always kind to her. Her story reminds us that difficult moments do not last forever. With hope, patience, and a kind heart, wonderful things can happen. As you finish your drawing, imagine Cinderella dancing beneath the sparkling lights of the royal palace. Keep your lines smooth and gentle, and most importantly, have fun. Our next princess is Pocahontas. Pocahontas is adventurous, thoughtful, and deeply connected to nature. She loves exploring the forest, listening to the sounds around her, and learning from the world around us. When drawing Pocahontas, start with her face and her long, dark hair. Try using flowing lines to make her hair look as if it is gently moving in the wind. You can imagine the forest around her, tall trees, green leaves, birds singing, and a soft breeze moving through the branches. Pocahontas teaches us an important lesson. We should listen, learn, and respect the world around us. Sometimes we may meet people who are different from us. Instead of being afraid of those differences, we can be curious and try to understand one another. As you continue your drawing, take your time with every line. Let your pencil move calmly, just like the wind moving through the trees. And remember, little artists, nature is full of beautiful things waiting to be discovered. Beautiful work! Our graceful Pocahontas is complete.
And now our final princess is Belle. Belle is kind, intelligent, curious, and a wonderful lover of books. She enjoys reading and discovering new ideas, and she reminds us that true beauty comes from the heart. Belle is famous for her beautiful golden yellow ball gown, but her most special quality is her kind and caring personality. When drawing Belle, begin with her gentle face and her warm smile. Then, carefully draw her beautiful brown hair using smooth and simple lines. As you imagine her story, picture Belle walking through a magical castle, discovering new rooms, meeting new friends, and learning that people can be much more than they first appear. Belle teaches us not to judge someone only by how they look. What really matters is kindness, courage, and the way we treat others. So, as you finish this final drawing, take a moment to look at all the beautiful lines you created. You started with a simple pencil, and now you have brought a magical princess to life. Amazing job, little artists! Our beautiful Belle is complete.
Keep drawing, keep dreaming, and see you in our next adventure.